Our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford from Hosford Law Firm, is joining us this evening to talk a little bit more and give us a distinction between suspect and person of interest. Jeff, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
We hear in cases that police have arrested a suspect and charged someone, or we hear them say they have a person of interest in custody. Explain for us the difference there.
Well, typically, in American language, the person of interest is somebody that hasn't actually been charged. Basically, what they're saying is they're looking for this person to question them. They describe them as a person of interest in most cases, not to appear as though they've done something wrong, in hopes that they'll come talk to them and get that information. A suspect is typically someone who's been charged and is being held in most police departments' lingo.
And as I understand it, a person of interest can be held for a certain length of time without being charged as investigators are questioning them, correct?
Well, obviously, if somebody's not charged and they're being held, there's obviously a point where they have to release them. The one main thing that would come into play is if you have somebody there and they're not answering questions, the next question would be how long can you hold them before you actually charge them? Obviously that can vary, but I would probably say not more than 24 or 48 hours before a court may look suspiciously on you holding somebody without actually having something to charge them with.
All right, as always, we appreciate your input, Jeff, and your perspective. If you have a question for Jeff Hosford, you can send it to us at legalline@wcbi.com, and we will see you next week.
Thank you for having me.
All right.